Hey guys, I just want to make this video today of a tutorial on how to make 60 frame per second videos on Davinci Resolve 18 or higher. And you go to open when you open a new project, one of them, but yeah, say open. And first thing you do is go to the setting down here. Don't actually publish your video straight away, just wait, and you go to 60 frames per second right there. That's how you get 60 frames per second videos. And yeah, then you can put your resolution right up here as well. So I won't actually do that because I'm not really gonna post the video. And you can put shorts as well if you want vertical resolution, if you want to make shorts. And yeah, and then after that you go save, and then you can post any video like, and then maybe this one right here will do. Actually, nah, not that one. But I'll post that's cropped. Yeah, it's cropped. Maybe another one. Maybe this one will do. This is a sneak peek of the next video. Yeah. And I'll mute that. I'll mute it. Hang on, mute, so it doesn't play. So yeah. Oh, it's a bit laggy, but it's all good. It's only what is it? Davinci Resolve doing that. The video itself won't lag, it's just Davinci Resolve. There's a little sneak peek of maybe a next video. But yeah, I'll be maybe ending it up now, guys. And then after, when you publish your video, go to deliver and go to H.264 master, then go to MP4, and then it says frame rate is 60 frames per second down here. You can go to vertical resolution as well, so yeah. And then all you do is go to render queue and then render all, and then yeah, that's how you actually make 60 frame per second videos without any lag. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, this is a short tutorial on how to actually do that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and make sure to smash the like button for more. And yeah, peace out, much love. NasLe out. Peace.